Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Polygon chart. Not Matic, it was called Matic before, now it's Polygon. They rebranded. A lot of you guys have asked me for an update after the potentially impulsive price action of the recent days. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. All right, we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here we can consider which section we want to look at today. Well, it's going to be crypto. So we click on the crypto section. And by the way, you can register on this website and then you get all of these Elliott wave updates completely for free. Yeah, so there are different updates for different cryptocurrencies. You can see we covered various coins again, including Bitcoin, Ethereum. So feel free to register. You can do that completely for free. There's a link in the video description. And today, however, we want to take a look at the Polygon chart. So Polygon is a coin which formed a possible 1-2 setup, but it just hasn't stopped correcting, right? So we still haven't really a clear low in place. I mean, it might have bottomed in this wave too. We've labeled it like that now due to the overall, let's say, upside pressure that we've seen in the crypto sector. Also, Polygon has moved up in potentially impulsive ways, but the movement is too small. I mean, this is the long-term chart. I mean, you see here there's a little bit of action, but yeah, there isn't really much going on there. So it's insignificant when we zoom out, right? Important is though, for any bullish structure or for any bullish scenario to really play out, it now needs to hold the November low. That's really for most coins, I think. And whatever coin you look at, and I'm looking at a lot of coins every single day, a lot of charts. Whichever chart you look at, it's the November low that really matters. Yeah, that needs to hold now. So when we now get the first pullbacks, these coins must hold a higher low, and then there's a high chance that we're actually in a larger rally. Could that turn into an alt season? Maybe. Yeah, we need a little bit more evidence. You see a lot of cryptocurrencies here and there start to move rapidly, and that's just going to happen in an altcoin season, but we don't see it across the board yet, not across the sector. So we just have to be a little bit more patient. Yeah, looking at this chart, I mean, the 28 cent level is very clearly the invalidation point for this wave 2. I mean, long term, we actually haven't got a target box on here, but if this really plays out as a third wave, I mean, we should get to new all-time highs. You know, we should get to like $3, $4, $5. Obviously important is that this wave 1 high from the previous cycle is going to be broken, and we just need to see a little bit more price action from down there. Looking at the smaller time frame, you can see that our primary scenario is that we've actually bottomed. We assign a 37% probability for one more low. It would be an alternative scenario. We would then just say that the wave 2 is still unfolding. In this case, the correction never finished, but it is actually possible that Polygon is starting to move up. This move up looks a little bit like a 5-wave move up, but we are already or still in our larger trading area anyway. We haven't graded out, so it's still relevant. We haven't added another trading area now, so it's important that the invalidation point holds, you know, that we hold above that 28 cent level, as I just said. And it is important that we now just see over the coming days, maybe weeks, that we just see a little bit more price action here. 28 cent level is key. We assign a 63% probability for further upside, and then again, you know, we need a little bit more price action. This initial move up here in blue, you know, wave 1 would again be a 5-wave move. Is this an initial wave 1 within wave 1? With the larger wave 1 is a 5-wave move as well. Maybe it's just too small. You know, you see a lot of distortions on these smaller time frames, but it's something to keep in mind, something to be watching. I find that move up potentially impulsive, but we're far away from confirming that really an altcoin season has started or that Polygon finally rallies. This is too small. As I said, we need a bit more price action. We need a break above those recent highs, above the green line, and we need a proper 5-wave move up. Well, if that happens, then for the next pullback, which again would be a wave 2, we can add the next support area and the next trading area. So I think Polygon is something for the watch list, definitely interesting. For those who are maybe interested in more speculative structures, setups, I mean, you know, a trading area is on the chart. Register on the website. You can look at the chart. You can get all the figures, numbers, updated probabilities, invalidation points, and then you can make your decision. But for those who want a little bit more confidence that a low has actually formed, you might want to wait for the first rally, and then ideally we get another pullback. Next larger degree 5-wave move up, that would be. But then again, you know, if we are really in an altcoin rally, if we start that, sometimes it can happen very quickly. So, you know, it's always that balance every trader needs to decide for themselves. I think overall it's looking interesting in the crypto sector, but Bitcoin is still leading. Yeah, Bitcoin is still leading. Even Ethereum isn't really outperforming Bitcoin yet. So is that still going to happen? We'll see. But for now, we can only analyze what we see right now. The altcoins are still quite weak overall, but we see some tendencies that they might start to catch up here and there. And Polygon could be one of the next ones. So that's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also register on the website. Again, it's completely for free. So hope you liked it. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.